Welcome to Nariseki, and today let's make chickpea burger, and it's vegan. So here I've taken boiled chickpeas. You can take canned chickpeas. These are boiled potatoes, and we are going to mash it together. And you can also use the food processor, but I'm going to show you the method for those who don't have a food processor. So if you're adding it to food processor, just add this and all the ingredients. And in this now we are going to add chopped ginger, some salt, and make sure if your chickpeas has salt and adjust it. Turmeric powder is optional, red chili powder, cumin seed powder, and some lemon juice, which will give a nice tangy flavor. And you can add all this to the food processor and mix it. Add chopped cilantro leaves. You can also add spinach or any greens. Make sure it's finely chopped, and we're going to mix it well. Now wet your hands and shape it into disc shape. And you can take base as the chickpeas and add variety of vegetables and make these burgers. And they can put it in the freezer and just fry it whenever you want. They stay good for about 2 weeks, or you can fry it and keep it whichever way you want. So we are going to shallow fry it. I have added oil. Use oil of your choice, and when it's warm enough, add the burgers. It's medium heat, and most of the ingredients we have used here is cooked, so we are going to just cook it on both the sides for about 4 to 5 minutes each. And then once it's cooked, flip it. And you can make so many varieties of burgers using chickpeas as the base, and these are vegan burgers. So now they are almost done, and we are going to arrange it on the bread. And you can also use different ways to arrange it. I've used vegan burger and put bread on it. You can also put the bread in the toaster and toast it a little bit. I like it a little bit crispy this way on the pan. So now this bread is nice and crispy. So now let's add red chili sauce. It's spicy, so I'm going to add red chili sauce on one side, and on the other slice you can either add tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, whatever you like, because with burgers you can use all your choice and arrange it. So here I have lettuce, and these beetroots are cooked, or you can bake it whatever way you like it. Tomato, our burger, then a slice of tomato and a lettuce, and we are going to again close it with another slice of bread, and it's ready to be served. So this burger is ready. Do try this, and please subscribe Nariseki for more videos, and please comment if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.